Good afternoon, males and females of the E.L. Haynes Public Charter School Society. My name is Sanu Basu, and I'm running for presidential candidacy of the E.L. Haynes government. I would like to be your SGA chair because I feel that I can ensure a better future for the E.L. Haynes students. With me as president, I could work hard for you to ensure that you have shorter days, less homework, and more incentives throughout the year. Past experiences include me being the president of the student body government in 5th grade and 6th grade. But if you elect me, I'll be the best president you ever had. I will ensure that some people, like many of you in the audience, do not like wearing, enjoy wearing shoes that are not a part of the school dress code. I can work for you to have a less strict dress code and more freedom in what you do. For instance, for those students who have a sixth period, and for those who don't, I can work for you to ensure that you might or might not have a sixth period next year and the years after that. Thank you very much. I love you all. Vote for Sanu.